space to ground 2 from node 2.
Station Houston, we see you with KU in node 2.
Yeah, we zoomed back as far as we could to get all 13 of us in.
Copy, we see you. The framing looks good. Would you please give us a 5 count?
You bet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Station Houston on space to ground 2. Are you ready for the event?
As ready as we'll ever be.
All right, then. We have you live on NASA TV. Actually, stand by for that word from PAO. And you are live out to NASA TV.
Well, good afternoon. This is Mark Polansky, and I'm the commander of Shuttle Endeavour, STS-127.
Gennady Padalka, ISS commander.
David Wolf, United States of America.
Tim Kopra, United States.
Doug Hurley, United States.
Mike Barratt, United States.
Bob Thirsk, Canada.
Koichi Wakata, Japan.
Tom Marshburn, United States.
Judy Payette, Canada.
Romanenko, Russia. Chris Cassidy, United States.
And Frank de Winne from Belgium. As you can see, we have 15 people representing 5 different national agencies from all over the world. And so we wanted to take a moment and share to you what that means to us. To me, having 13 people is a big milestone. It means that we have 6 people full-time living in the International Space Station and starting to do real research for what it's like to go ahead and live long-term up here. For all of the major partners being here and represented by someone today, it means that we truly are international in what we do, and it shows the kind of cooperation that we can do when all of the nations around the world can work together. And I'm going to ask a member from all of the different partners to go ahead and say a word about what it means to them. So first to Gennady.
As Mark mentioned, we have certain people up here, but certain number turned out a very lucky number, not only for us, but for all agencies. And it's very great. But our countries, our agencies, and people themselves have matured in their ability to work together in space on behalf of human beings. And it seems to me our joint team is a very great example how we can cooperate and work together, supplement and complement each other, and to join our technologies. And for me, it's a big honor to be up here in historical moments.
Hello, bonjour. As a representative of Canada with my colleague Bob Thirsk, of course we are absolutely thrilled to be part of this incredible team that has built this outstanding first-class laboratory in the harshest possible environment we can imagine. We in Canada, of course, are quite well known for our robots and space robots in particular. Our latest one, Dexter, could almost little human with 2 arms and a body. But what Canada has been partner in the space exploration since the very get-go in 1962 is human, people, brains, effort, and a lot of enthusiasm, because we believe that exploration is the way that societies continue to evolve and continue to be healthy. We are extremely thrilled and honored to be part of this team, and will continue to do so decades to come.
Hello, my name is Koichi Wakata, representing the Japanese Sea. The International Space Station is a fantastic research laboratory with all the living quarters and research modules, as well as the robotic system provided by the partner countries. The teamwork and partnership of this program truly represents the future of humankind to explore the unknowns and explore knowledge and expand the human frontier in space. The STS-127 crew and also the wonderful ground team did a fantastic job of completing the Japanese Kibo module. With the addition of the exposed facility of the Kibo module, we can put a variety of experiments, not only utilizing the microgravity, but also performing a lot of experiments utilizing the environment of open space, including Earth observation and astronomical research. And we are very fortunate to be part of this wonderful team of all the partners of the International Space Station.
Hello, I'm Frank de Winne representing the European Space Agency. As all my colleagues have already said, it's a wonderful experience to be up here. It's a great honor to be part of this historical team. Working together, living together, and achieving all these things together in space is a true example for how we can evolve and how, as humans, we can all work together and accomplish great things on Earth if we all work together. It's also a great example of how we can continue future human space exploration, because this is just the beginning. The ISS is a great stepping stone for further exploration to the Moon and to Mars. And I hope that this partnership, maybe with many other partners, will be able to continue human exploration, because a society that explores is a society that evolves.
Well, it's really hard to add to that. Eloquent words by everybody. I would just say that one of the amazing things about being here for all of us is that besides the amazing work that's going on are the tremendous friendships that we've all made during our visit. And one of the amazing things about being here is also the fact that you really don't notice all the different nationalities, just that everybody is a wonderful human being that you really enjoy spending time with. I think we all would like to offer our tremendous thanks and gratitude to the tremendous number of men and women all over the world throughout the different agencies that have worked so hard to make this dream come to a reality. And we hope that there are future generations out there that will follow in our footsteps and make this a more routine undertaking so that it won't just be some few people that get to do this, but 13 will only be a small stepping stone to when we'll have hundreds and thousands of more people going and living in space. So on behalf of everybody here, I'd like to go ahead and wish you all peace and a wonderful evening, and thank you for visiting us tonight on the International Space Station.
Station Houston on Space to Ground 2. Thank you very much for the words. That concludes the event. We'll now resume operational communications.
Thank you.
This is Mission Control Houston, and there you have it, some words from the STS-127 crew as well as the crew of Expedition 20 on board the International Space Station. A full house today as 13 crew members on board. STS-127 Commander Mark Polansky and Expedition 20 Commander Gennady Padalka and their teams talking about the milestone of 6-person crew, the fact that there are 5 different countries represented on board the station at this point in time, including the United States, Canada, Russia, Japan, and what it all means in the history of modern spaceflight.